Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I want to talk to you about the OS Orientation Daily Self-Assessment video. Again, the Daily Self-Assessment video. Another technique, if you will, of high-up executives is a daily assessment. This self-assessment is very simple and very straightforward, and if you combine it with a goals list, you will do exceedingly well because it will make you more efficient based upon the time that you have to complete tasks. Let's go ahead and talk about what a daily self-assessment is. At the end of the day, you are to assess what you have completed versus what you sought to complete. You will notice that certain things keep popping up that you were unable to complete. You will notice that certain things you were able to complete with practical ease. It was straightforward, got it done, feel great. The reason why this is important is that it teaches you how to be more efficient with your time, and it allows your mind to walk away from something after you've studied it. Now, what do I mean by that, walk away from something? Everybody has a job, and that job usually ends at a certain point, and then you go and do other things related to your personal life. This is true for almost every person but for owners. There's employees and there's employers. The EEs and the ERs. EEs, after a certain point, they're done for the day. ERs, they live that company. They know when the account is up. They know when the account is down. They know when payroll is coming up. They know when a change in the market is about to happen. They are aware. So, why is this daily self-assessment so important? It is to go ahead and make sure that you are able to complete things in a reasonable fashion so that you are basically able to manage yourself. Now, why do we keep having these goal lists and daily self-assessment and perspective and outlook? These are all things to keep in mind as a manager. Because while you do this course, you will have to manage yourself. All right, so let's talk about that. If you are unable to manage your own daily schedule, if things pop up and you can't handle them, if you're constantly running out of time because you haven't figured out a way to make it fit, that is because you are having management issues. At the end of the day, each person is responsible for their actions. At the end of the day, each person is responsible for the results of their actions. Those people who sit back and say, well, didn't happen during my shift. Well, I'll let the next guy worry about it. Well, maybe I could have done it better, but I'm not going to worry about it. These are all of the types of individuals who would be, have been, and will be fired. And here's why. We are a team. We are all working together to create the best product that we can. The only reason this law firm has done so much better than the other law firms out there is not because we have a bunch of slackers working at the firm. We have the best of the best of the best. We have the people working extremely hard to achieve a greater work product with an ultimate better result that the client will appreciate. And sometimes they don't. Sometimes the clients don't care. Sometimes the client doesn't even understand what's going on. But at the end of the day, somebody will notice it. Whether it's a judge, a clerk, or your boss. So, daily self-assessments, very important because it will teach you how to round your day off at the end of the day so that you know what you did well and you know what you can do better in the future. Thank you. My name is attorney Walter Hnot, and this video is the completion of the OS orientation area. You'll now go forward to go ahead and take the OS orientation quiz. You'll submit it based upon the documentation that you have in front of you, and at that point, once we grade it, we will begin the process for allowing you to watch the D101 videos. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'm very excited to see you succeed. Thank you.